Big breaking news coming in from the state of Odisha. Amid endless suspense over who will be the next chief minister, we've finally got answers to that question. Mohan Maji is the chosen one, chosen by the BJP to be the next chief minister of Odisha. Seasoned politician, strong tribal voice in the state. Mohan Maji is the chosen one. Let's cut across live to the announcement.
पूर्ण समर्थन करी बहुमतरे विजयी करी आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सरकार आनी से 4.5 कोटी ओडिया को मोर कोटि कोटि प्रणाम जनाऊँ धन्यवाद दूसरी एवं आज जो दीर्घ 24 वर्षर शासन थिला तार परिवर्तन होईची एवं लोक माने जो आशा एवं आकांक्षा एवं ओडिशार विकास पाई जेबड़ी भाव में भारतीय जनता पार्टी प्रति आस्था प्रकट करिसंती निश्चित भाव में भारतीय जनता पार्टी आगामी दिन में ताकू संपूर्ण भाव में पूरण करने सहित ओडिशा को भारत वर्ष रे 1 नंबर राज्य में परिणत करने निश्चित भाव में आज संकल्प नौछि एवं ता निश्चित भाव में आगामी दिन में ता कार्यकारी करिवो। समस्त को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।
अब यह कार्रवाई यही समाप्त की जाती है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सब।
Okay, official announcement made there on who the next chief minister will be. The first BJP CM of Odisha is Mohan Maji, a tribal face, seasoned politician, a 4-time MLA, and this time, of course, was voted to power from Keonjhar. So he's the chosen one right now. The BJP Central Observer Team, which has in fact just ended a legislative party meet, has confirmed that Mohan Maji will take oath tomorrow as the Odisha Chief Minister. Ritik Mondal is joining us live from Bhubaneswar with more details on this. Ritik, you had told us here on India Today that Mohan Maji is one of the top contenders for the spot and now confirmed here that he is the Chief Minister of Odisha next.
Yes, definitely the decision has been taken after a long meeting in which Rajnath Singh played a crucial role, and what we know that currently we are just speaking of that Mohan Charan Maji, 4-time MLA from Odisha's Keonjhar assembly constituency, has been elected as next chief minister, and from now onwards the politics over here in Odisha will head to another direction. We spoke to several leaders and who would be the next chief minister of Odisha now that the decision has been taken that Mohan Charan Maji, who is an very experienced and veteran politician as per the tribal politics. He has been known as a very prominent voice, a leader of tribal section of Odisha, but we know which is why he has been he is going to represent the state as the chief minister. He was among the toughest contender among the front runners of the CM post, but what we do know that
information we're also picking up right now, Ritik, is that there are 2 deputy chief ministers also who will be sworn in tomorrow, Prabhati Pravida as well as KV Singh. So 2 deputy CMs. Odisha will have 2 deputy chief ministers who will take oath tomorrow evening along with Mohan Maji as the chief minister. Suryagni is also live with us with more details on this. Suryagni, run us through the choice and the decision taken by the BJP. Why have they picked Mohan Maji as the chief minister? Why have they decided that there will be 2 deputy CMs?
Well, Akshita, there will be 2 deputy CMs for Odisha. Pratibha Pravida and KV Singh Deo. They are the 2 deputy chief ministers, and Mohan Charan Maji, MLA from Keonjhar, will be the chief minister. He was an MLA with the BJP from that particular seat from 2000 to 2009. And again from 2019 onwards, he won that particular seat. He's considered to be a loyalist. He's considered to be someone who's been there with the BJP for a long time from his college days, and he's considered to be a very, very, organizational person, and a very, very, someone whom the entire legislators can have a faith in. Let's not forget that there were multiple names that were doing rounds. It had the name of Manmohan Samal, who's the state president. Then Suresh Pujari's name was also there. All these people went to meet Rajnath Singh. They went to bring him from the airport. They all came together. But it's Mohan Charan Majhi, Akshita, who's the next chief minister, the CM-elect of Odisha. And it's not just a very easy decision. He is going to be the next chief minister. He's going to be the first chief minister after 27 years. Since 1997, it was Naveen Patnaik who was the chief minister of this particular state. So the BJP really wanted someone who can take everyone and continue their work,
No, you're right, Suryagni. He has his task cut out for him, because he's following up in the footsteps of someone who's a political veteran, a political legend in Odisha, the footsteps of Naveen Patnaik. So there will be a lot riding right now on Mohan Majhi. I just want to bring in once again Ritik Mondala on this broadcast. Ritik, a tribal face being chosen by the Bharatiya Janata Party in Odisha. Explain to us the significance of this particular move. They know full well how much is riding on Majhi's shoulders now.
Definitely a difficult task for them, but definitely what we can see that Mohan Majhi's election as the next chief minister would give a huge boost for the tribal people over here, because we know, as per Odisha politics is concerned, tribal section plays a major role. We have a huge, women supporters of Bharatiya Janata Party. They are cheering for Mohan Majhi. Let's talk to them and try to understand. अभी जो फैसला हुआ है, मोहन माझी होंगे उड़ीसा का चीफ मिनिस्टर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
हम सब खुश हैं। महिला मोर्चा की टीम तरफ से उनको शुभेच्छा, शुभकामनाएं हैं। बहुत खुश हैं महिला मोर्चा। बीजेपी के हर कार्यकर्ता खुश हैं।
उड़ीसा के लिए कितना महत्व रखता है मोहन माझी की चयन मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में, क्योंकि वो उस ट्राइबल सेक्शन को बिलोंग करते हैं, बहुत ही वेटरन पॉलिटिशियन माने जाते हैं।
निहाती आज हम बधाई देना चाहते हैं। हम बहुत खुशी है महिला मोर्चा की तरफ से मोहन माझी जी हमारे मुख्यमंत्री बनने जा रहे हैं। ये हमारे लिए एक स्वाभाविक विषय है, और ये 25 साल का नवीन पटनायक का सरकार गया है, और नया सरकार, नया विकसित उड़ीसा, ये सबकी आशा उम्मीद है। महिला के नाते सुभद्रा योजना की
रवि नारायण जी नायक, लक्ष्मण भाद और पृथ्वीराज जी, हरिचंदन जी, इन सब सारे लोगों ने समर्थन किया, और साथ ही साथ हमारे विधायक दल के सभी सम्मानित सदस्यों ने तालियां बजाकर इसका स्वागत किया। इसलिए मोहन माझी जी को मैं सर्वसम्मत भारतीय जनता पार्टी विधायक दल उड़ीसा का मैंने नेता निर्वाचित घोषित किया है। और जो
Okay, so Rajnath Singh currently speaking there at the BJP office in Bhubaneswar. Remember, there was a team of central observers, including Rajnath Singh, sent across to go ahead and be a part of the legislative party meet. 5 contenders who we told you about on India Today. Mohan Majhi was a name that we'd mentioned first on India Today, and it's now been confirmed that he is going to be taking oath as the Chief Minister of Odisha come tomorrow. So that's something we'll track very, very closely. Odisha getting the Chief Minister finally. The face is Mohan Majhi. 2 deputy Chief Ministers will also be sworn in tomorrow.